Good morning, everybody. If you don't know who I am, my name is DJK here. Welcome back to my another today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my another today's video. Thank you so much for watching my yesterday's video from Wednesday. Thank you so much. So I have some pretty bad news. I'm sorry, my throat is a little bit dry. I have to eat breakfast in any minute. First, I have to tell you something real quick and won't take that long. So, Lord sorry. Oh yeah, so I'm going to forfeit with baking today because of the rain keeps pouring down. I'm not going baking today or something like that. I am forfeiting that for now. Only just do indoor exercises for now, so that is allowed. So since it's raining, sorry, baking is off the table. So yeah, I'm gonna do some exercises. When I get done with breakfast, it is done. I have to get breakfast first, then tis done. After tis done, then get back to you guys for exercise with my exercise clothes to replace the other ones, the ones I've been wearing from few videos. The ones I've been wearing that would be Batman short and Michigan shorts. So I completely remember that from my previous vlogs that have been posted. So remember that now. I have to replace those clothes to the new set. So yeah, anyways, and technically don't forget about thunderstorms. I hear it this morning, so that's bad. So don't worry, I'm gonna do exercises inside instead of going outside until when I go outside again. If it's not raining or little, that would be 1 o'clock p.m. means sunny, and 2 p.m. will be sunny, 3 p.m. will be sunny still for playing basketball. I can still do that. As for me, stay inside if it's raining. Indoor exercises today. So it's gonna be a little bit different. My friend told me about, can I do sit-ups that will hurt my back? So I'm not gonna do sit-ups like that. Only just push-ups and everything. So yeah. So I have to get my breakfast going, so let's get to the time lapse while I'm doing this. So yeah, I'll be wearing this for a little bit until when I get changed. I'm not ready to get changed yet. I have to wait till when I get done with breakfast it is done. So yeah, so let's get to the time lapse for setup breakfast. Let's get to the time lapse. Hey everybody, I just got done with breakfast that is done, and now it's time for me to go back in. I know what I said before, I'm really sorry, I didn't mean that way. If it's not raining, I could still go back in. It is still raining, I can't go back in. The rain stopped already just a minute ago, so I'm still going back in still. So yeah. So before I go back in, I cannot go back in with this on. Not to worry, I have new set of clothes. That is a lesson, short and black shorts. So let's get to the drop change. 3, 2, 1. Bullseye. Okay, everyone, I am back in my baggy clothes now, and now it's time for me to go back in. So, wish me luck. I hope I will not injure myself. Remember last time? I'm not sure if you've seen that photo from my previous old video with the scab in my leg all bleeding. I have to put that out there just because I got hurt from Chicago Loop. So, I don't want that happening for this year. It was way past a year ago. I don't want to talk about that. Let's focus on now. So yeah, I will not injure myself anymore. I am very capable of what I'm doing. Hey everybody, you know why in my robe exactly? Well, technically, my clothes are wet. My mom convinced me to strip down, not in a bad way, but I had to have I don't want to explain it. So that's why I had to wear my robe in the video, just in case I've been in the rain for back in. I know it looks bad, but I had to do it. So I know I cannot go back in the rain. That looks terrible to do it. So I had to do it before the rain started. So yeah. So my plan is I have to go take a shower. I have to transform my robe to pajamas for now. I will not be doing basketball today. I don't think that's gonna happen. So I normally play basketball until 1. I don't want to go outside as much. Like the one I just told you about back in. After when it started, that's not good. So I want to stay inside for now to record. So yeah. So I have to transform this to PJs. Let's get some magic. No drop change this time. So let's get some magic. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, everybody, I am back in my pajamas now, and now I have to eat lunch. I know I was gonna eat lunch at 12. I forgot to do that. So don't worry, I will get ready for next Tuesday after Vegas weekend. Monday I'm working. As for Tuesday will be a normal day, going back in early, then relax till 12. 12 means lunch. 1 for basketball. At 2 done with basketball. So I have to do that normally for Tuesday. I'm not working on Monday. Since on Monday I have work. As for Tuesday I don't. That's the day off for me. So yeah. So let's get to the time lapse for setting up lunch. So let's get into the time lapse. Hey everybody, I just got done with lunch just a minute ago, so I had to wrap up today's video, so let's get to it. Thank you so much for watching, have a good day, have a great rest of day and night on Thursday. See you guys on Friday's short video, aka I'll be uploading shorts, don't forget it, for Friday's episode. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the links down below. Make sure you follow us on TikTok, someone new, and don't forget subscribe to Fast Squad Family, and others too. Send them love and support, and don't forget subscribe to YouTube channels, that is DJK's channels, Marina's channels, Gyro's channels, and my channels down below. Send them love and support as well. So yeah, have a good day everyone. Now guys, peace out, and don't forget that will grow up on Friday's short video on shorts. Peace out everybody.